Good morrow, kind gentlefolk. We are the History Hikers. My name is Dries.
And I was Chris and Jente.
And where are we?
Where are we? Well, today we are in the 15th century, it seems. We are celebrating 500 subscribers, so thank you very much. And because of that, we are here at het Hooghuis in the 15th century. Het Hooghuis was very famous for organizing jousting games, and that's where we're visiting today.
Alright, let's check it out.
Art thou ready?
Let's go.
Featured thing.
Hello, these are our honorary history hikers.
Why,
Vicky
thank you.
And Goran.
Hello.
Glad to be on the channel.
This was us, coming to you from the 15th century at the Hooghuis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, because we've reached 500. Also, big thanks to our honorary history hikers, Vicky and Conan, who are right now buying an axe, because what good woman doesn't have an axe? And we bid thee farewell.
Thank you so much.